The name of their executioner is one you might have heard. Sun Tzu, warrior, philosopher, and creator of The Art of War.
If the orders are unclear, it is the fault of the general that the troops do not obey.
Sun Tzu says, know your enemy and know yourself, and in 100 battles, you will never be in peril. He says, to win 100 battles is not the height of skill. To subdue the enemy without fighting says, avoid what is strong, attack what is weak. Giap has learned Sun Tzu's principle that it is more important to outthink your enemy than to outfight him. Sun Tzu says, in war, numbers alone confer no advantage. Do not advance relying on sheer military power. Sun Tzu says, let your plans be as dark as night, then strike like a thunderbolt. Sun Tzu says, in battle, use a direct attack to engage and an indirect attack to win. Sun Tzu says, there are 5 fundamental factors for success in war: weather, terrain, leadership, military doctrine, and most importantly, moral influence. To move your enemy, entice him with something he is certain to take. Sun Tzu says, put the army in the face of death where there is no escape, and they will not flee or be afraid. There is nothing they cannot achieve. Sun Tzu says, all warfare is deception. Sun Tzu says, it is essential to seek out enemy agents who have come to spy against you and bribe them to serve you. Sun Tzu says, the way a wise general can achieve greatness beyond ordinary men is through foreknowledge. Sun Tzu says, when a falcon's strike breaks the body of its prey, it is because of timing. When torrential water tosses boulders, it is because of momentum. Sun Tzu says it is essential for victory that generals are unconstrained by their leaders. Sun Tzu says, make your enemy prepare on his left, and he will be weak on his right. Sun Tzu says, the winning army realizes the conditions for victory first, then fights. The losing army fights first, then seeks victory. Sun Tzu says, no nation has ever benefited from prolonged war. Sun Tzu says, those skilled in war bring the enemy to the field of battle. They are not brought by him. Sun Tzu says, move only when you see an advantage and there is something to gain. Only fight if a position is critical. Sun Tzu says, when the enemy occupies high ground, do not confront him. If he attacks downhill, do not oppose him. Sun Tzu says, there are some armies that should not be fought, some ground that should not be contested. Sun Tzu says, when troops flee, are insubordinate, collapse, or are routed in battle, it is the fault of the general. The first line of Sun Tzu's Art of War is, war is a matter of vital importance to the state. It is a matter of life and death, survival or ruin.